Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and if you want to log in or sign into CapCut PC, we can go to this menu. I'm just going to click on sign in right here. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys, and we can sign in with our TikTok account, with Facebook or with Google. And I'm just going to sign in with my Google account, just like so. And then we have to log in with our Google account. I'm just going to choose this account to log into CapCut PC, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and I'm going to click on open CapCut. Okay, now it's done. And as you can see guys, that I have logged into this CapCut PC with my Google account. Alright guys, and that's all the way to log into CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.